Ever contemplated dipping your toes into the world of investing, but feeling stuck because all you've got is $100? Fear not, because today we're going to show you how to get started with just that. First off, park the misconception that investing requires a fortune. It doesn't. Your $100 is a perfect start. It's all about making smart choices. Consider starting with a low-cost index fund or exchange-traded fund. They offer diversification and are a great way to get your foot in the door. You could also explore robo-advisors, which automate investing based on your preferences. Remember, the key to investing is consistency. So don't be disheartened if your initial returns are small. Stay the course, keep learning, and watch your $100 grow. Investing is not just for the wealthy, it's for everyone. So, take that $100 and make it work for you. Tune in next time for more investing tips for beginners.